Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll explore the settings of our appointment merchant system. We'll delve into the details of our appointment settings, which allow you to manage various aspects of your service. Firstly, you can view user settings and customize appointment settings. These are divided into three key areas: merchant settings, delivery settings, and merchant time slots. Let's begin with an explanation of the merchant settings. In this section, various settings are available, such as those related to the merchant, delivery, orders, free delivery options, cancellation policies, language preferences, and general settings, along with tags indicating expertise. Now, we'll focus on the delivery-related merchant settings. Here, you can decide if you want to offer pickup delivery. If a merchant wishes to provide this service, the corresponding toggle should be switched on. Conversely, if the service is delivery only, this toggle will be off. Moreover, we'll explore the delivery options provided. If delivery is available, ensure this toggle is on. If not, you must offer a pickup option instead. The toggles function inversely, so if pickup is not available, delivery must be provided, and vice versa. Moving on, we will discuss the minimum and maximum delivery times. Here, we provide users with an estimated delivery time, which will be displayed to customers. Finally, we'll take a look at price rating settings. Regarding the price rating, if we set it to 2, this indicates that we are showing a maximum 2-digit price on our platform. This is used to display the maximum price of an item, approximately a 2-digit number. Here, we can set it. After setting, click on the Submit button to confirm the change. Following that, we'll move to the order settings. In the order settings, we include taxes, individual taxes on each item, overall order price, all sorts of settings provided in our order settings. First, you'll see an option asking whether you want to apply any individual tax on an item. If you toggle this on, we apply tax to that specific item. Conversely, if the toggle is off, we do not apply individual item tax. Moving on, we'll address the tax on items. If you want to apply a particular tax on an item, here you can set it. After that, you'll notice this tax list comes from the admin panel, which we set in the country section. Next, we'll discuss whether the issued taxes are included in the item price or exclusive. If the toggle is on, the selected tax is included in the item and modifies the price. If the toggle is off, our price is exclusive of the item and the modified price. Then, we'll proceed to the minimum order price. Here, users can only place orders above this price. So, if you set it, for example, to $10, the user must place an order above this price. This constitutes our minimum order value. The user must meet the minimum order price to place the order. This minimum price is a requirement for the user. After that, click on the Submit button and confirm the order. Next, we proceed to the free delivery settings. Click on the Edit button. In this section, we provide free delivery for particular orders and areas. If any merchant wishes to offer free delivery, these settings can be adjusted here. When the toggle is on, the merchant will provide free delivery for a specific service type. We are set to provide free delivery because the toggle is on. If the toggle is off, we do not offer free delivery, and the user will pay our delivery fees. Moving on, we go to the price section, where users qualify for free delivery at a specific price point. We are setting it for $50. Therefore, orders above $50 will be eligible for free delivery. Subsequently, we configure the radius within which free delivery is available to users. If you set it here for 3 kilometers, our merchant will provide free delivery to the customer within this radius. Then, click on the Submit button and confirm it. Finally, you can view the order cancellation settings. Click on the Edit button, and from there, set all the cancellation settings. Here we are. This toggle indicates whether you want to provide a cancellation charge. If you decide to impose a cancellation charge, ensure the toggle is switched on. Conversely, if the toggle is off, it means that our merchant does not require any cancellation charge from the user. We'll go ahead and turn it on. After that, you can specify when the cancellation charge applies, such as between the statuses of accepted, coming, and arrived. We select Accepted and Coming. If a user cancels an order while it is in one of these statuses, we can then collect the cancellation charge from that user. Moving forward, you need to decide on the type of cancellation charge. There are two types available: absolute and percentage. For our purposes, we will select percentage. Here, we can set the percentage value, which is how much of the order we will collect as a cancellation charge from the user. Let's say an order is placed. We will take 10% of that order as a charge. Next, we determine the price point above which the cancellation charge applies. We have set the minimum order value for cancellation. If an order exceeds this price, the cancellation charge will be applied. After configuring this, click the Submit button to confirm the changes. Now, let's look at the language settings. By clicking the Edit button, you can see that English is the mandatory language, but you may also choose Arabic. This means that a merchant can set Arabic as a language for order strings on our platform. The merchant can change the language settings as needed. Here you can see the options, and you can switch to Arabic from here. Lastly, let's review the general settings. In the general settings, we include settings for the business status and visibility. Click on the Edit button. The business settings indicate whether our business is operational. When the toggle is on, merchants can offer services to customers. If the toggle is off, merchants cannot offer these services or use our platform to place orders for customers. Next, we address the busy status. This toggle allows merchants to indicate if they are busy. Customers will see the status showing whether the merchant is currently busy. If the toggle is on, we still provide services, and customers can place orders. However, orders are not confirmed by the merchant until they complete their current tasks. Following this, we go to the Visible toggle. This determines if a merchant wants their store to be visible to users. If the toggle is on, the store is visible to customers. If it's off, it is not visible. These are the uses of our general settings: Business, busy, and Visible. To confirm changes, click on Submit and then Verify. After verification, you can view the selected tags representing your areas of expertise. Also, you can set your expertise through the admin panel. Once the admin sets your expertise areas, you can select them, making them visible to users on our website. So, this demonstrates the use of our Select tag, where we expertly showcase it to our customer. Here, we're explaining the various merchant settings tailored for different purposes, such as delivery settings, order settings, offering free delivery, order cancellations, general business settings including on-off switches, busy status, visibility, languages, and expertise. All these settings are included in the merchant settings. After that, we proceed to the delivery settings. In this section, we provide various options like scheduled orders, setting the minimum time before which a user can place an order, and the option to deliver anywhere. We also address delivery time loads. These comprehensive settings are all found within the delivery settings. Let's explore this further. Here, users can see if they have the option to schedule an order. If the toggle is on, users can schedule their orders. Conversely, if the toggle is off, users will only be able to place orders for as soon as possible delivery. We'll switch it on, allowing users to benefit from scheduled orders. Next, we look at the minimum time after which a user can schedule an order. We also provide functionality here for minimum order times. If you set it to 20 minutes, users will be able to schedule an order at least 20 minutes in advance. This leads us to the scheduled delivery time. We can define the scheduled delivery time here as well. If the toggle is off, users are not able to set the scheduled delivery time. However, if the toggle is on, they can set the scheduled delivery time. Subsequently, we consider delivery anywhere. To provide delivery to any location, the toggle must be on. Conversely, if the toggle is off, you can define a delivery radius. In this case, you can specify delivery to a particular area by defining the radius. When the toggle is off, the radius is defined. Following that, you can set time slots. If the service is not available for the full day, time slots need to be allocated, for example, on a Sunday. We do not provide appointment services for the full day, so the toggle should be off and you should set the slot. Here we provide the slot from 9 to 1 p.m. If delivery is available on Sunday, you can set it for the day. If you wish to provide full-day delivery, simply turn this toggle on. So, this outlines the usage of our slot timing and scheduled timing for delivery services. These are the settings for our delivery slot setting. To confirm, click on Update. Afterwards, you can adjust the delivery fees. You can do this by clicking the Edit button, which allows you to set the delivery charges including the business rates. If the toggle is off, you can offer the delivery for free. Otherwise, when the toggle is on, we collect delivery fees from the user. You can view the use of distance calculation here. If the toggle is off, you can set the pricing base according to the base price, distance, and even mean fare and unit time. With our toggle off, we can decide the price based on the base price we have set for a 3-kilometer distance at a base price of 15 rupees for 3 kilometers. Any user traveling 4 kilometers would be charged 18 rupees, ensuring we collect a minimum amount from the user. Subsequently, we set the price per unit distance. After this distance, we calculate the cost according to this price. We can also set the price per unit time. Following that, we have the option to set the tax. All of these settings are related to pricing. Moving forward, we address zone pricing. If any admin has set a zone for a particular city, that can be adjusted here. If you set the pricing for a specific zone, from that zone, you can apply this pricing and update it. Here, we provide the delivery fees. Next, we proceed to merchant time slots. Here, the merchant can set their opening and closing times on our platform. If a merchant cannot open for the whole day or wants to operate for specific hours, these settings can be provided within the platform. By clicking on the Edit button, you can customize the time slots for opening and closing according to your requirements. For example, on Sunday, we do not provide services for the entire day. Here, we can set the slot. By adding your desired slot, you tailor it to your specific needs. For instance, we can set the slot from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. After setting the slot, click Save, allowing you to establish the hours during which the merchant is open. Following that, you'll notice that our merchant is open all day on other days. This is how we manage a merchant's open and close times throughout the year. To finalize, click the Update button. Subsequently, we verify all the details, including the merchant's operational hours and the delivery settings, which cover delivery time slots and even delivery fees. You can then review the delivery fee settings and merchant settings. Within merchant settings, we incorporate delivery options, order handling, free delivery criteria, cancellation policies, language preferences, and general settings. These general settings can determine whether the business appears as on or off, its busy status, its visibility, and also allows us to choose tags that represent our areas of expertise. These extensive settings are what we use for our appointment-based merchants. We hope you have understood the workflow and the settings that we include for our appointment merchants. Thank you so much for your time, and we truly value your engagement. Thank you once again for watching this video.